Good morning, students. Welcome back to this recorded session. Today, we are going to learn about the bodies of water, kids. Well, as you know, there's a lot of water in our planet, but we have a lot of different names of them. So, gulf and arroyos and fjords are all bodies of water, but each one represents something unique. So, let's try to understand them. And kids, we're gonna make it bigger. Let's start big. We start with the ocean. The ocean is a large saltwater body that covers most of the planet. Technically, it's the whole thing, but we often split it into 5 parts with 5 different names, as you can see it. A sea can mean the same thing as ocean, so it's more specifically used for a large inland body of saltwater like the Caspian Sea. A bay is a part of an ocean bounded by land on 3 sides. A cove is one too, but it usually has a smaller entrance, often in a mountain. Make a bay bigger, it's called a gulf. While a bight, it's a smaller, and we have also the fjord that it is like a bay with a steep entrance, or you can call it first. A sound is like a large bay, but often longer and between 2 sections of land. Sometimes people call it a channel or strait if it connects 2 largest bodies. Sometimes a channel is a bit short. And we have the lagoon. The lagoon, kids, it's like a shallow body of water separated from a larger body of water, kid. A barracuda is a coastal lagoon and it's split from the ocean by sand. Then we have a tidal pool that it is almost the same, but it is a little bit smaller. A delta is where a river flows into an ocean or lake or into an estuary which is separate from the ocean. It may be where saltwater and fresh water mix, right? So they blend. But water isn't all about the ocean. No, my dears. No, it is not about that. Let's go to inland, kids. What happened inland? Well, kids, so we have inland. We have the lake. It's usually fresh water contained inland. But there are a few types of lakes. So we have the loch, that it is a Scottish word for lake, like the Loch Ness. A pond is a particularly small lake. Then we have a mere, it's a notably shallow one, right? So with sand and water at the same time, right? And then we have a tarn, that it is between the mountains, so that is called tarn. And oxbow, it's a type of lake that it has two arms, right? Como dos brazos, like that. And it comes from a river that changed course and then it left a lake behind. A lake is fed by a tributary, which is a kind of a river, and a creek is a small stream. So you can call also keel, rivulet, beck, or gill. So these are different names of creeks. And we have the spring, that is a branch of the river. And also we have arroyo, that is a Spanish word, right? It's a Spanish word for a creek, un arroyo. And in Arabic it is called wadi. A freshet has a few definitions, but it usually fills with water after a heavy snow. And we have a spring that shows up. A lee is that it is a natural spring flowing water, right? And also we have the geyser, kids. The geyser, it's water volcano, right? And we have an oasis too, that it is like an isolated lake in the desert. So these are the bodies of water, kids. I hope that you enjoy them, and if you didn't understand them, you can play it again, kids. I hope that you like it, and I hope that you understand it all, kids. Okay, thank you, my dears. I have to say thank you one more time, and goodbye.